everybody. Don't mind the big dude in the blue shirt blowing around. April 19th. And it did it. It did it. Ohio, it did it. It was wonderful. And April of all months is going to be the hard month to ride. It's just what it is. I record my mileage, and I've put almost 3,000 miles down so far this year on a Spider, and I've only put down like 200 miles in a car. I think it's quite unique that I am definitely out on the Spiders more than I am in a car, and I'm very okay with that. And I'm just going to continue to do that. You know, last year I think I didn't even ride 9,000 miles, and that's fine. I mean, it's not the total mileage that I'm looking for. Oh, I need to ride 15,000 miles. But it was the number of trips that I had to call off that was disappointing for last year, and I hope that I don't have to do that this year. Yep. And yep. And I have new GoPros. I was having issues with my old camera, so I got these GoPros for like super cheap, brand new. And you know, there's some learning curves, and the first thing I need to do is I can't see when this one comes on. The other one had a light on the top, and I could look down and be like, oh, it's on. And these buttons are a lot harder to push, so sometimes I have to push it 2 or 3 times before it starts recording. Red bud, beautiful purple tree. I think by far those are my most favorite. And of course, as soon as I start talking, I get the hiccups. That's all part of it. Just left the little town of Somerset. And yeah, we're going this way. Cute little pond. I dig it. Farmland on one side, always down there fishing. There are a couple people down there fishing. Got them a little fishing hole. You know, and the more I ride, the more I just want to look around, and it's not what you need to do when you're riding, but that's what I want to do, so that's what I'm doing. So hopefully by this time everybody has all their plans figured out for this year. I have not yet planned not one single thing. In fact, I've only taken 1 week off at work, so I need to get in there and take some time off so I can go for rides. And I still have, oh my goodness, you know, I still have a lot of stuff I got to do. I got to work on the white Spider, get that thing set up. We're going to do a lot to this one, and I'm hoping I'm feeling better, and we can start on this thing. I've been saying that for 2 years, literally 2 years. I like looking, I'm noticing it a lot more. People have these ponds on their property, and they're putting in these little pond houses, and all it is a glorified shed, but I would take it. I think it'd be pretty cool. And we are going to have to find a new way home because they have the road shut. Which makes it perfect for me. I mean, I want to ride. It was supposed to be like 72 degrees today, and right before I left it said 77, and I was like, I gotta go. And my daughter was like, I don't know why you're still here. More purple. It's just so pretty. Oh, that's a road. It's a little road. Check that out one day. I want to check out some of the smaller roads on this because I can't do much more damage to this thing, to be honest with you. Where do I want to go? We can go into New Lex, and then we'll just keep going down 668. And we'll take Marietta Road, or we'll take one of those roads. 1.9 miles. They're blasting on through. What a gorgeous, gorgeous day. Now the mic's gonna get weird. Get a little bit of air into my face hole. Little town of Junction City. I don't know why they call it Junction City. I might have to look that up. It's a tiny, tiny little town. This is pretty much all it is. We're going to be in and out of it here pretty soon. And if I go straight, that'll take us into New Lux. But we're going to come up here and we're going to go to the right. Got him a bucket. Boneless pork chops, $2.99. That's it. That's the city. Early, and you know, it is what it is with the video. I'm going to listen to some music and just ride and relax, because I mean that's what it's all about, right? So man, give me a big old thumbs up. That was pretty high, wasn't it? Thumbs up should be like right here. Stay safe, everybody. Here's the big turn. Here's the big turn. Boom, boom, boom. See you down the road, everybody. I am out.